Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices are on watch this week as Israel's retaliatory strike on Iran over the weekend bypassed Iran's oil and nuclear infrastructure and did not disrupt energy supplies. Oil futures gained 4% last week in volatile trade as markets priced in uncertainty around the extent of Israel's response to the Iranian missile attack. The rally in US stocks is wobbling as it confronts a stretch of potentially market-shaking events, starting next week with corporate results from tech titans and the closely watched employment report, while the US election is also nearing. The benchmark S&P 500 is up about 22% on the year. Gold prices edged up on Friday after recovering from a profit-taking bout as Middle East tensions and US election jitters supported prices, while palladium prices extended gains to 10-month highs. Spot gold was up 0.2%. The dollar fell 0.5% against the yen in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. After a 1.9% dip during the last session, the oil-dollar pair closed 0.9% in the red. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 14:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 6 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.